Hello, I'm back. I never go far. You know this. Never, ever get rid of ADELESEXYUK. Oh no. Right, a little bit of info first. Might as well start as we mean to go on. Yeah. If you're having trouble seeing my videos, it's because I've now been limited. Yes. Isn't it lovely to hear that word? It's so lovely. What you can do though is type my name in the search bar and all my videos will pop up for you to watch. Yes, so make sure you do that. Okay, I'm going to show you what I bought from B&M bird food wise. I can't wait. And then tomorrow I'm going to take them all down and put them in my box. And then I'm going to feed the birds. Right then, so we know my box was getting empty. Yes. Now, B&M is one of the best places to go for bird food. It is. They have suet nuggets. They do. They're only, I think, they're either $1.99 or $2.99 a packet, and they go nuts for them. Suet nuts. So I bought 2 bags. They didn't have them in. They haven't had them in for a while. So make sure you go and get them while you can. I got another tub of my little suet balls that I like to get. Yes, mini suet balls. What else did I get? Now, normally I get my mealworms from Wilko's, but I wasn't going to Wilko's. I was at B&M. So there's my mealworms. £5 the mealworms were. Why are mealworms so expensive? I don't get it. The actual little suet balls were only $3.99 for that big box. So this is why I like B&M. It's cheaper. Like we have 2 suet candles. They're only £1 each. Basically, all you do is you take them out of the wrapper, and then you see that little black thing in there. It's got a hole through it. You hang that, and then they eat it like that. So you don't even need a holder for them. I got, yes, there's more. A jumbo suet roll. They're good for winter time, they are. Very good for winter time. And I got my blocks. I got 10 suet blocks for $4.99. Now that's pretty good. They last ages. They do. Not finished yet. Not finished yet. I got my 8-pack of coconuts for $3.99. The birds seem to like the B&M ones better than the Wilko's ones, so got it. And then to finish it all off, I got my sunflower hearts and my upside down small bag of sunflower seeds. Now I normally get them from Wilko's again because the bigger bags, but I wasn't going to Wilko's. Yes. So I will be going again to get more because I like to keep my box full. Don't like my box to run out. I'm terrible for it. Now, so I'm going to put them in a bag actually, ready to carry down the garden. Yeah, so we've got suet nuggets. They're going to be so happy when they see those suet nuggets. Sunflower seeds, candles. I need to put the bag down because it's heavy. Jumbo rolls, candle. Mealworms and cooking as well. I'll put these down here. Ready to carry down tomorrow. I love it. I don't care. I love them. I do. And it is looking a bit empty down there, so it does need refilling. Win-win. Yes, it is. So that's them ready for tomorrow. Now I'm going to put the monkeys' dinners on. I am. We're going to use those chicken nuggets that I got today. And we're going to use some of the chips. There's the nuggets. I haven't got a recycling bin in here anymore. Don't know why. Just haven't. Move all the stuff that's been piled on top of my freezer. people think it's an extension of the bar, but I'm just as bad, so yeah. Let's get the chips out. Chicken nuggets and chips. Can't be bad, can it? That's the nuggets there. So these are the chips I got today. I called, when I'm explaining these ones to the monkeys, I call these the big fat ones. Okay. And then because I get French fries, you see, I get French fries and these, I alternate. Because a couple of them prefer the French fries, and one of them prefers the big chunky ones. So it's like I like to alternate between the two. I do. Look at that, that's a proper chip. A proper chip. Yes. Helps if I turn my cooker on, you know. Oopsie. So, Alexa, 30-minute timer.
30 minutes, starting now.
Yoo-hoo! So there we go. That was my bird shop for the day. I love you all. Don't forget, like the video for me, subscribe to my amazing channels, follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, ADELESEXYUK. Come and check out my amazing Patreon, where I will be using my new shampoo and conditioner that I bought today. Oh yes. Come and check it out, guys. Google me, ADELESEXYUK Patreon, or come through the links that are on my Twitter and Instagram, ADELESEXYUK. And I'll see you soon. Love you all.